How to invest in ETFs on Robinhood app. Now, investing in ETFs such as exchange traded funds on Robinhood app is a straightforward process. All you need is first thing first, you want to open the Robinhood application. Make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, you also need to make sure that you're already verified. Now, here, what you need is on the search bar, tap on it and locate ETFs. So when you go ahead and type in ETFs, you could locate it. So click the ETFs options. Now you just need to enter the ETFs ticker symbol, that is VO for Vanguard and S&P 500 ETFs. And then you just need to click on the ETFs that you want to explore. So here you have these. So you could go with the Vanguard S&P 500 ETFs. Click that out and you could go and click on the tick button. So once you go ahead and click on the following options, then you click on buy VO and click on the done button, after which you just need to follow the details, such as on the ETFs page you could see current price, performance chart, as well as fund details, holding, sector breakdown, expense ratio, all that. And if you want to place an order, you could click the trade button and then buy and choose either to share or a dollar amount. Once done, you could select the order type, either market order or limited order or limit order, and tap on the review button and submit the order. The ETF will show up in your portfolio once purchased, and you can monitor price change, dividends, and performance over time as well. And that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.